Little early morning boat ride. Dr. Doom's Fearfall. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's loud. You can see Dr. Doom's Fearfall in the background here. Those two towers. I lost my voice on Velocicoaster.
Please remain seated for your safety until the captain says all ashore. Today, emergency transport is open till 7 p.m. Special is open till 8 p.m. Party drop parade will take place inside Universal Studios Florida at 6 p.m. Your last water taxi from your hotel to City Walk will be 11:45 p.m. The City Walk closes at midnight, and the last water taxi from City Walk to your hotel will be at 1 a.m. Once again, when you reach the City Walk dock, please remain seated for your safety until the captain says all ashore. Thank you.
I'm so terrified I'm going to drop this phone. I've dropped it so many times. I don't have a dongle. So you have the option of walking too from your hotel. But it's a pretty long walk. And when you're here at Universal, you do not want to be doing extra steps. You're already doing enough. I did 20,000 steps yesterday. Yeah, you don't want to do any extra steps. Sorry about that. There's the lighthouse for Islands of Adventure. Very cool. And coming around here, we'll get our first glimpse of City Walk. Again, today is Sunday, March 9th, 2025. When is it too early in the morning for chocolate? And of course the iconic Universal globe. Alright guys, that's about it for our boat ride today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the buttons, do your thing. See ya.